everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to try and whiz through this as quick as possible. I don't want to make it into a long video, just want to get to the point and show you a product that basically I think more people should sort of use really, or I feel like you'll benefit from using it, but you don't see it in pressure washer videos, like with snow foaming, you know, and detailing your cars, giving it a good wash with like I've got here, like a Karcher pressure washer. And you just don't seem to see it in any videos. But I find it's really helpful for getting to these like hard to reach areas on the car. And anyway, basically, so this is the K2 Karcher that I've got. And the attachment, I'll use it in my other pocket, it's this, which I'm going to put a link to the description. Get it on Amazon, I think you can get it probably on eBay and other various websites. But what's really cool about this, now obviously if you've got a normal, I'll do some footage actually showing kind of the normal lance that you get on the pressure washer. So with the normal lance, it's quite long, and obviously the reach from the handle to where the water comes out is huge, whereas with this little thing it's a lot shorter. But also what's ace is, well, it's still got the it's got a vario lance, so obviously you can do what pressure you want, whether it to be low or max. But also what's really cool is it's a pivot one. So you can do a full 90 degrees with this, which is ace. So when you attach it to my pressure washer, now obviously compared to looking at the length of that, I'm not sure how that comes across, but you know, you're losing probably a foot there of length, or gaining I should say. And then what's really cool with this is, say if you're looking to go underneath the car, again I'll try and show some footage showing that. So you can go underneath the car, you can get underneath the wheel arches. Maybe like for example we've got the family car, the Kia Sportage. It's quite a high car, quite hard to get to, but you know, this could maybe be good for like vans, caravans, etc. Then obviously you could use it like this, and obviously you can stand and get the jet wash down at the top of the roof line, so it's just really handy. I think for me the main thing that I use it for on both cars, especially during winter now, which I think is a good reason to sort of be putting this video out there, is people disregard the underneath, whereas obviously with this, you know, you could have it at any angle. Again, I'll sort of show footage side by side of me talking, but you can see how you can get underneath the skirts of the car, you can get underneath the wheel arches, and you can gain a lot more access to that dirt that's like sort of stuck and trapped under there. So I don't think I really need to talk much more. I've sort of shown both the product and sort of its use as well. And yeah, as I mentioned, it's just brilliant. I don't know why anyone else doesn't use that. But this is for, as I mentioned, this is for a Karcher. I'm not 100% sure if you can get different attachments. It might be possible, I haven't actually looked into that. So if you are interested in getting yourself one of these, head over to the link below, get yourself one and try it out. So I'm going to leave the video there. If you're new to the channel and you've liked this video, then please feel free to subscribe to it and click the little bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. Everything is car related on this channel, whether that's going for drives, doing mods on the Fiesta ST, which is like the main reason for the channel, and also doing sort of a little bit of my own kind of car washing, detailing, anything that I feel that I can share of knowledge, experience or products, I will be doing on this channel. So yeah, feel free to subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, press the little like button, always appreciate that. Thanks all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.